Hi, Mattias here with Morning Dew Media Education. In this video I'll tell you more about our educational platform and our courses. Let's face it, trying to find the right free material for you when it comes to learning a new skill or a new technology or music software, it can be a real challenge. In our platform you get a cohesive experience and focused place to expand your music and tech knowledge. I made the Morning Dew Media Education because I wanted to give back to you, the community, what I've learned in my 30 years in the music and media industry. And with the one-on-one video sessions you can only reach so many people. But with the Morning Dew Media Education I get to share with all of you and also get the fundings to create more courses and also expand on the current courses we already have. Now, if we take the Bitwig Masterclass as an example, on release it was like 17 episodes, and it's since then been expanded up to 41 episodes. So you get a ton of value when you buy one of our courses. Okay, so let's continue and look at the Morning Dew Media Education platform. At the moment of making this video we have 3 available courses: the Arranging course, the Logic Pro course, and the renowned Bitwig Masterclass. When you purchase one of these courses, you get an account automatically created at Morning Dew Media Education, which is located at edu.morningdewmedia.com. Now log into Morning Dew Media Education and you will get access to the courses that you purchased, and we can continue to the Bitwig Masterclass course. As you can see on the left side we have all the chapters available in the course. So that's your course menu. And at the top of the page we can see the course progression, currently at 0% because I haven't watched any of the episodes. I highly advise you to first go through the information on the homepage for your specific class, because there might be additional stuff like presets and project files which are used within the course. We also advise you to sign up to the newsletter so you get the latest information when new episodes arrive in the course. And here you also have all the information you need to gain access to the exclusive Discord channel. Now, if you ever need assistance in any of the courses, you can scroll to the bottom of the course and click this mentor button, Open Chat. Now a dialog opens and you can basically ask me anything related to the courses. Now there's a few different ways you can navigate the courses. You can either use the course menu to the left side here, and we can just go through the episodes like this. And you can also use the back and forward buttons at the bottom of the page. Like I said, at the top of the page we can see the course progression, and to the right of the course titles in the course menu we can see which of the episodes we haven't watched yet and which of the episodes we have completed. All our videos feature subtitles, so you can just activate and watch them in your native language. If you want a more grand view of the actual course page, you can close the course menu just by pressing the course menu button. Now with the recent update of the Morning Dew Media Education platform, you can also turn into light or dark theme mode if you're working in daylight or if you're working at night. It's much more convenient to the eyes. Now let's go back to the My Courses page and select the Arranging course instead. And as mentioned earlier, it's always good practice to start at the home page for the course, because you will have the additional download files and product files which we are using in the course material. And you also get suggestions on excellent free software synths and stuff that you can download to enhance your productivity. In the course app you also have a My Profile page where you can upload an image to your avatar. You get to select different interests, and I highly advise you to fill in these because it's really helpful when I'm exploring which kind of new course we should develop for the platform. Right, so finally, the benefits of enrolling one of my courses in the Morning Dew Media Education app is that you get additional content, product files, tons of tips and tricks. You get to see your course progression and some gamification to make the experience more enticing. You also have the help functionality via the chat dialogue, so you can ask me questions directly if you bump into any issues when running the courses. Morning Dew Media Education app also works on most modern browsers, and you can even run it on mobile and tablets. And as I mentioned, there's a light and dark mode if you want to switch to a more convenient experience during daytime or nighttime. Okay, so that concludes the presentation on Morning Dew Media Education. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section to this video. Thanks for watching today. I hope to see you in the courses at Morning Dew Media Education. My name is Matthias. See you in the next episode. Bye.